Hey buddy, since we installed the JDK, we can now then develop in Java and execute Java code on your PC. So we will create a simple program on your PC and execute it in the command line prompt. To do that, a quick tip from my side: open the File Explorer and go to View, expand it and click on Show and checkmark the file name extension. This is very important so that you see the Java file extensions if you create a Java file which you want to compile later on. So now you can just type Notepad. I will just paste a simple program here. You don't have to understand it. We will dive in later, but so that you just understand the mechanics of Java. We will save that file and call it main.java. Then this is very important because the file name and the class name need to match to each other. So we can call main in the file the other way, but then we have to call the file name as well the same way. Otherwise the compiler will not compile your Java file. So I will save that and close that file. So we got our simple Java file. On the desktop you can click on Shift, right click and open the terminal. And now we can say ls to see every file on my desktop. And then we can call java c for compile and then say main.java and hit enter. So this will then just create a bytecode which we can execute now. So since we got our application compiled, we can then execute it on your PC. Let's say java without the c and say main, hit the button, and the program says hello buddy, which we saw beforehand in our application, right? So if I open that, it was the hello buddy in the system online print command. For a beginner, it's everything you need to know about how to compile a Java code and how to write a Java code. See you in the next videos, and bye.